Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everybody. Welcome to the section 5. In this section, you are expected to be able to create an outline of a paragraph and develop the outline into a paragraph. So, this section will provide example of how to create an outline of a paragraph, and it will discuss the requirements of a good or strong outline. Then, in this section, I will also give an explanation of how to develop an outline into paragraphs. Let's start. A good paragraph will save you time in the revision process, reducing the possibility that your ideas will need to be rearranged once you have written them. So what you will argue in the essay, at least there are three: have notes, ideas, possible quotes to cite as evidence, then your goal put into an order that best support your argument, not the argument you have read in the other people's book. Therefore, to do this, you have to group your note into categories and then arrange these categories in a logical order. At least there are 5 components in your outline. The first, introduction. In the introduction, you should write first, it is related about importance of the research, goal of your research, and some overview of your research, and then you put a bit about literature review. The next, after you write down the introduction, you need to put methods. In the term of method, you should know the scope of method and analysis that you will use. Give description of your method. And after the method, there are results. In writing your result, you need to show the reader about the result for each method that you use in your writing. Next, what are goals that you have achieved in your research? After you write down introduction, method, and result, you need to discuss it in form of discussion. What the contribution to the previous research and the significance of the result of your research. And the last one, you should put a conclusion. What are in the conclusion? Yes, it is about summary of your objective, measure of your findings, implication of your findings, and scope for the future research. Yes, almost people call this method in writing outline called as IMROD. E, IMROD, yes. I as introduction, M as method, and R as result, and discussion and also conclusion. Okay, remember, prepare an outline in order to save your time before you're writing your paper. Okay, let's start. How to create a good writing an outline essay. Thank you very much for your attention. Let's start to do your tasks. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.